हेलो एवरीवन, आई एम पूजा। आप सभी ने बहुत सारी कहावतें ज़रूर सुनी होंगी अपनी लाइफ में, लेकिन इन कहावतों को इंग्लिश में कैसे बोलते हैं, लेट्स लर्न दैट टुडे। सो गाइज स्टे ट्यून्ड, वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न लॉट ऑफ इंटरेस्टिंग प्रोवर्ब्स। लेट्स स्टार्ट विद आवर फर्स्ट प्रोवर्ब, दैट इज समझदार को इशारा ही काफ़ी है, एज वी से। सो हाउ टू से दैट इन इंग्लिश? A word to the wise is sufficient. Okay, let's move to the second one. जो गरजते हैं वो बरसते नहीं. You must have seen lot of people who keep on talking, but they hardly do any action. बस वो बातें ही करते हैं, जब करने पे आता है कुछ नहीं करते. How do we say this? Barking dogs seldom bite. Let's move to our third proverb, that is एक ही थाली के चट्टे बट्टे. एक ही थाली के चट्टे बट्टे, वॉट इज़ द मीनिंग ऑफ दैट? यू वुड फाइंड देर आर सर्टेन फ्रेंड्स जो एक ही तरीके की हरकतें करते, एक ही तरीके की बातें करते हैं. सो हाउ टू से दैट इन इंग्लिश? दैट दे आर द चिप्स ऑफ द सेम ब्लॉक. लेट्स सी द नेक्स्ट प्रोवर्ब. जल्दी का काम शैतान का. सो many times it happens we are getting late for our school, for our classes, for our office, and when it comes to eating food हम बस जल्दी खा लेते हैं. We keep on gorging upon it, right? And what happens afterwards? There's lot of stomach ache. So we say haste makes waste. So जल्दी का काम शैतान का. Let's move to our next proverb. सच हमेशा कड़वा होता है. एंड येस इट इज़ देयर. आपने देखा होगा बहुत बार, लाइक इन आर डेली रूटीन लाइफ ऑल्सो, व्हेन वी टॉक टू आवर फ्रेंड्स, एंड कभी कभी हम जब उन्हें सच बता देते हैं तो दे गेट ऑफेंडेड, उन्हें बुरा लग जाता है. ट्रुथ इज ऑलवेज बेटर माई फ्रेंड. लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट प्रोवर्ब. रात गई बात गई. वॉट इज़ द मीनिंग ऑफ दैट? For example, your friend is offended with you, right? You did something, and then next day he's saying, "यार please बुरा मत मान, this happened," you know, and you are saying, "यार रात गई बात गई, let bygones be bygones." Now you are no more offended by him, you have forgiven him. So जो हो गया सो हो गया, रात गई बात गई. Let's move to the next proverb. Let's move to the next proverb. बूंद बूंद से घड़ा भरता है. Many a little makes a mickle. So this is all about taking baby steps for achieving your goal. For example, हम सभी ने पिगी बैंक्स रखे हैं बचपन में, right? Whenever we used to get 1 rupee coin, 2 rupee coin or 10 rupees, whatever money we used to get from our relatives, you know, from our parents, we used to keep it in the piggy bank. And one day when we needed that money, what we used to have, बहुत सारा पैसा इकट्ठा हो जाता था when we used to break that piggy bank, right? So क्या हुआ? बूंद बूंद से सागर भरा. Many a little makes a mickle. थोड़ा थोड़े पैसे से ही बहुत सारी सेविंग्स हो गई. Similarly, you can use it in learning any language, that when you take baby steps, when you learn a single word, when you learn a single sentence every day, then only you are able to frame a paragraph or you are able to speak one day, isn't it? So yeah, many a little makes a mickle. Let's move to the next proverb. मुख में राम बगल में छोरी. You would find this thing, guys, a lot, especially in the present era. A wolf in sheep's clothing. Many times it happens that in college or in school you have certain friends who try to be polite and soft in front of you, but in the back, you know, they backbite against you. So what they do? मुख में राम बगल में छुरी. I mean, they are soft in front of you, but in the back they criticize you. So beware of such people. Let's move to the next proverb now. अब पछताए होत क्या जब चिड़िया चुग गई खेत. Okay, so how do we say that in English? It's no use crying over spilled milk. How do we use that? For example, you have bought a Samsung mobile phone, right? And now your friends have got iPhone, and now you are thinking that, oh God, why have I purchased Samsung? मुझे तो iPhone ही खरीदना चाहिए था. and your friends are saying, now there is no use of crying, you have already bought it, so it's no use crying over spilt milk. अब जो हो गया सो हो गया. Let's move to next proverb. What is that? एक हाथ से ताली नहीं बजती. It takes two to make a quarrel. Yes. So guys, हमने देखते हैं whenever we are into a argument or whenever we are in a fight, it never happens because of us. Somewhere the other person is also involved, right? So it takes two to make a quarrel. Let's move to the next proverb. That is, एक अनार 100 बीमार. That is, one post and 100 candidates. When there is shortage of the resources but you have lot of people to consume it, then we use it. एक अनार 100 बीमार. One post and 100 candidates. Let's move to our last proverb of the session. That is, दीवारों के भी कान होते हैं. Yes, even the walls have ears. Many times you would find when you are speaking loudly, right, with someone and they are asking you that, hey, दीवारों के भी कान होते हैं. That is, that someone around you can overhear your talks. So yes, you have to be cautious while speaking, right? So even the walls have ears. So this was the last proverb of the session. I hope guys you have enjoyed it and learnt a lot of proverbs. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep on learning. Sayonara.